In this video, I'll show you how to add a product and price in Stripe. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and open your account. Next, go to the product catalog in the left sidebar. Now click Add Product to create a new product. Enter the product name and add a description or image if needed. After that, scroll to the pricing section and choose whether the price is one-time or recurring. Next, enter the amount, select the currency, and choose the billing interval if you're creating a recurring price. Now review the product and pricing information carefully. After that, click Add Product or Save Product to create it. Stripe will create the product along with the price you configured. Next, open the product to review its details and confirm that the price is active. Finally, you can use this product and price when creating a payment link, checkout page, or subscription. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a product and price in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.